Hi viewers, today I want to show you how to replace a headlight bulb in a Mercedes C-Class W204. My one is the facelift model, but the guide should be very similar to the pre-facelift as well. And my car is equipped with the Xenon headlights. So as you can see, here I'm in a right-hand drive car, so on the right-hand drive, on the driver's side bulb, it turned pink. So it is on its way out. It's still working, but the light is totally pink. It looks better on camera than it is in real life. So as you can see, the driver's side, it's a different tone than the good bulb on this side. This one is more like a white, little bit of a blue. It's an original bulb, I think a Philips. And this one, you can see it's got a completely different color, and also it's less powerful. So I need to replace both of them. As a Xenon bulbs, you should replace in pairs, but I wanted to do a test, so I ordered a LED bulbs off Amazon, and I wanted to see if it's actually any good. So I went online shopping, Amazon. It's a D1S. I bought the one with the best viewers rating, and it was about 60 euros for a pair, which if you're looking for a good brand Xenon D1S bulb, you're looking at probably 60 or maybe more, 60 or more euro for a single bulb. So here, as a test, I ordered these ones, so 60 euro for a pair. They've out of a packaging, they look okay, to be honest. Nothing extra, but they don't look like garbage. So they're supposed to be plug and play. So in a moment I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb, and instead of installing a original Xenon bulb, we're going to use these and see how they perform. Here it's a close-up look. It's got a little heatsink on the inside. Also the connection is the same that's in your car. You don't need any adapter harness or any sort of rewiring. It's a plug and play, same as on your normal Xenon light. There's also a fan in the back of it for better cooling. Okay, so let's get to replacing it. So there are two flaps on each headlight, smaller and bigger one. We're looking at the bigger one. That's where your main bulb goes. The axis is not too bad, to be honest. I've been working in tighter spaces on different cars. You can do it all without removing the headlights, so that's okay. So what you have to do is grab the tab that's sticking out, twist it left counterclockwise as you would open a bottle, remove the cap. It says high voltage on it, so you have to have your headlights off, a key out, just to be on the safe side. The car has been running, so the bulbs might be still hot. There you go, that's another one. And what you have to do now, you just grab that, grab the bulb and also twist it to the left counterclockwise, and that's your bulb over here, this part. So just to show you here how to remove it, just be careful, be gentle. The whole kind of lens assembly is moving as the part of the self-leveling system. So you twist it left, give it a little wiggle, and it should come off with no problem. Now you will ideally need two hands for basically unplugging the connector. You grab the bulb and pull the plug with your other hand. What I'm going to do for a good measure, we're going to put this good bulb onto the other lamp, just to confirm that it's a bulb that's faulty and not the headlight. Okay, just to confirm, that's the old Xenon bulb that was having a pink light, so it's on its way out. And that's the other Xenon bulb, and it's actually still okay, so it's not a bad headlight unit, it's just a bulb. But on this side I have already installed the LED, and I can tell you guys the difference is huge. You can see here on the wall, that's very bright, and that's basically like night and day difference. I'm actually surprised, to be honest. I don't want to say too good, as it's only installed, there is no fault on the dash, but if it even keeps running for a year, that's not a bad deal. Okay, so the installation is complete. As you can see, there is the new bulb with the fan in the back. Very easy, very hassle-free, and as advertised, it's a plug-and-play solution. And that's it, it's installed. And just to save you some hassle, when you be removing and installing the bulb, you'll be basically looking at it upside down. So let's say it's in this position when it's installed with the connector at the bottom. So what you want to do to remove it, you're only turning it by this much to remove it. It doesn't even do a quarter turn or absolutely not a half turn. You go from this position when it's locked to this position when it's open, and you wiggle it out to get it out. And that's the job done. 2 bulbs installed. Very nice bright light. I'm not sure what Kelvin temperature was advertised on them, but they definitely have a little bit of a bluish tint to it, but not a crazy one, just a tiny bit. And actually maybe this one is less blue than this one, so they don't have an equal color. But here on the wall you can see a very good line. I'm actually going to move the car to the spot next to me where the wall is in one shape, and then I'm going to show you some before and after photos. Okay, I'm in a underground parking with some lights at the ceiling, so it's not super dark, but I can tell you already that the difference is huge. I'm actually surprised. It's a Chinese bulb, that's for sure, but 60 euros, you can't go wrong with it. I will give you some updates in the comment section, or maybe in the description of the video. After a few months, are they still performing as they are now? But I can tell you it's a huge difference. I'm gonna now post some before and afters photos so you can see. Highly recommend. I will put a link in the description of the video. There was actually a discount, so I think altogether it was 60 euros for the pair. And also you can choose from the different models, as you can see here.